floor. We're about to finish welding and get the floor in. It's tack welded in some areas. Finally got the floor in, notched out for the bars. Got to weld it in, and then probably corner balance it, put the weight up front once everything's in. Probably weigh about what I weigh on the fucking car now. So it's about, imagine me being on here up front. You know what I mean? That's probably about what I'm gonna add to it roughly. That's all we got for now. Like I said, I'm kind of taking my time with this. So finished prepping the engine bay. I went to a full carbon front now, so now carbon fenders, carbon bumper, carbon hood, carbon doors. Only thing left is I'm debating on the roof, carbon roof, or we're gonna do the fiberglass roof. So just kind of seeing what's out there right now. Carbon trunk, and then put it back together. We'll have a fun product. So, and now we're off to this thing. The next on the list for now. As far as us with the quarantine and all the lockdowns, you see my hair is not even cut, not shaved. Can't do none of that shit. So there's no racing. Now we're off to this thing. As we, I did the transport, which is under there. It'll be a simple street car. Let's see what we can make with it. Have fun. We're on the action clutch twin. So we'll check it out. Put that to the limit. See what we can do with that. And here's where we are. Right-hand drive Integra. Sheet intercooler. BWR manifold. Just along that S300 street car. See what we can do. We made one trans out of the 3 that we have here. Should be good to go. So that's where we're at. Start assembling this one. Then motor should be ready in for this one for 4-piston Super 99. Should be ready to go probably within a week or two. Then we'll assemble this car and this car together. And we'll get ready for I think our next event is August Race Wars, I believe. That's if it happens. As far as that's pretty much where we're at. My car is pretty much on the back burner for now. Race season's pretty much up for us with the whole quarantine and lockdown. We got limited to what we can do, unfortunately, so that's where we're at. But we'll slowly keep chopping it away, get it ready for next season. We can enjoy a whole year, hopefully, if things go back to normal. So that's where we're at. This is my mock-up motor. Got some 110 fuel for a friend who's looking for it. That's where we're at. I got some fabrication work left to do as far as intercooler piping, mounting tabs for the intercooler. And then I gotta get the Speed Factory 16 volt welded in. So that's pretty much where I'm at as far as fabrication work. Once I put the mock-up motor back in. But our goal next is to get this one done and this one, so we can get this. The race wars August 22nd. It still goes down. Which should have the motor, what, a couple weeks we're saying? 4-piston fresh on it. Then we'll put it back together. We just redid the dog box. What else did we do? What else are you doing to the car? Change.
Have some wiring. Probably get it wrapped. You'll see. Bring it back out.
And other than that, that's where we're at. Right now, it's got a couple projects. I'm limited on space, so there's only so much I can do. Or we can do together. So as soon as we can get these ones out, we'll get some new shit going. But this will be a project pretty much for the next week or two. Hopefully get it done by then. And get it on the road. But then have this motor so that we can, once we're done here, go to this. And then hit the road. And we'll have both cars ready for the next few weeks. Within the next month or so. That's it probably. Gonna see down the wiring. Which I think we're doing that from Works.
Formworks doing the wiring harness. Yeah, try to clean up some of the chassis wiring and take care of that ourselves. Go back on the dyno, see what you feel, so and see what she makes on this fuel.
I think that's where we're at. As far as updates from what we got going on, it's fucking 100+ degrees in here, so we're limited on time when we work on the cars. When it's hot, it's fucking hot. I'm sweating right now just sitting here, so we'll make progress usually in the mornings, late at night on days off when it's cooler, and we'll see where we're at from there. But for those who bought shirts though, dude, we sold a lot more shirts than expected. Sold shirts from, I kid you not, Florida, sold shirts in Jersey, New York, Texas, I want to say like Indiana or Idaho, something like that, of course California. So thank you guys, that's huge. We do got some more stuff that's coming. We do have some engine platforms. Once we get to where we want to be with these engine platforms, then we'll go ahead and release them. Or, you know, engine programs to the public. So if you guys want to get in that same program or the same target goal as far as ET, mile per hour, whatnot, then we will now offer that to the public where they can buy that stuff too. So we got some cool stuff coming. We got another shirt in works right now. Another set of stickers is in the works. I said some engine programs that we want to offer, both B series front wheel drive and then K series all wheel drive, both turbos, and then since we do our all motor stuff is 4 piston, we'll just leave there's enough all motor guys doing that stuff, so we'll let them keep doing work, you know, and then we'll just offer the all wheel drive turbo stuff and the B turbo front wheel drive stuff that we are working on as far as what worked for us here and the times that we're working. So we'll be releasing that here pretty soon. Our goal is to hit that target first, target number, so that we can offer it at that target number, and then it'll be available to you guys. So stay tuned. I'll have that out for you guys pretty soon.